Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, a critical error occurred, failed to pass world config for your world, and you'll have a location here, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, you're going to go to this location. So whatever this location is, you're going to go to it. I'm going to go to my location now. You're going to select your world here. After that, you're going to go into universe, you're going to go into worlds, and then you're going to go into default, and then you'll have a config.json file here. So what you're going to do now is you can either delete this file or you can just move this file into any other location. For example, here. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to that location. You're going to go into your world name, and then you're going to go into backup, and then you're going to take the most recent backup. So this one, for example. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to open that backup file up, and once you open it up, you'll have a config.json or config.json.bak file in that backup. You're going to move both of those files out of that backup archive, and then you're going to copy those files. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to that default folder location from where we deleted that config.json file. So here, and then you're going to paste that config.json file here. After that, you're going to restart your Hytale launcher. And once you're done with the restart, you're going to click onto this settings icon at the top left corner of the launcher. And then you're going to click onto uninstall. And in that uninstall options, you'll have a button that will say verify your games files. You're going to click onto it and it will validate or verify your Hytale's games files. Once it's done with that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you can try to play Hytale and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. Your world will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.